The aim of this video is to help you understand your school report. There are two parts to the report. On the left is the comment made by your teacher on your learning attributes. On the right is the report on your academic performance. The focus for this video is to explain what these columns mean and how this links to your learning journey in the classroom. We'll start by looking at the column furthest right. This is your performance goal for where we want you to be by the end of the academic year. The performance goal is graded on a scale of 9 to 1, with 9 being the highest. The number that you have been assigned for each subject is determined by the outcome of the mid-years CEM test that you sat at the start of Year 7. These numbers will be ambitious, challenging, but we believe you have the potential to achieve them. The numbers correspond to the scales used for GCSE, and they give a broad indication of how you might perform in the future. The most important thing to remember here is that the performance goal is not a prediction of your future, it is just a broad indication, based on where you started. There are many things that can happen between now and completing your end of Year 11 exams that can influence your future performance. For example, the effort and dedication you commit to your learning. The next column we will look at is academic performance. Here we see a comment from each subject teacher's assessment. This is their best judgment on whether you are on track to achieve the performance goal by the end of the academic year. There are 3 indicators that the teacher may use to comment on your learning journey. These are exceeding, which means there is strong evidence that you are on a path to performing beyond your goal at the end of the year. Meeting. Maintaining this level of performance, in all subjects throughout KeyStage 3, means you have shown strong and steady progress. This is a level of performance we expect from students. Developing towards. This means your teacher has identified additional next steps or areas for you to focus on, to make the shift towards meeting expectation. The academic performance indicators are projected assessments. They are based on the teacher's holistic professional judgment on where they believe you will be at the end of the academic year. Teachers use a progress map to help them with this. The progress map is an in-class assessment tool that describes the learning journey from Year 7 through to Year 9. Each subject has developed their own unique progress map as a step-by-step guide, setting out the standards, or learning descriptors, to help you understand where you are on your learning journey, and more importantly, help you identify the next step in your learning. During lessons, teachers will begin sharing sections of the progress map with you. This is to help you relate portions of the map to specific areas of learning, and gently build familiarity with using them. The progress maps will be used to identify skills you have mastered, and during feedback, conversations will be centered on identifying the next steps in your learning. As the academic year unfolds and we move through the curriculum, the focus will shift to address all strands of the progress map, and as a pattern begins to emerge, your teacher will let you know if you are on track to achieve your performance goal. It is normal for your performance goal to stay fixed throughout KeyStage 3. However, this does not mean we expect your progress to stop or slow down. Each year your goal will move up one step on the progress map to bring additional challenge to your learning. So, as we can see from the example here, a step 7 in Year 7 is not the same in Year 8 or Year 9. So, to summarize this video, you have been given a performance goal for each subject that is ambitious, but achievable, and this is where we expect you to be at the end of the year. Progress maps are used in lessons, especially during assessments, to make it clear where you are in the learning journey, and to identify the next steps in your learning. Teachers will give you feedback to let you know if you are on track to achieving your goal, using these performance indicators. This is the language we will use on your school reports. Although the number might stay the same, performance goals move up a step every year, so that you are continually challenged. If you have further questions, please speak to your tutor or teachers. They will be happy to help you.